Welcome to Ryan LLP Injury Attorney's YouTube channel. Today we are going to tell you about the topic which is called Cleveland Fire Truck Accident Lawyer. We will tell you about common causes of fire truck accidents, what you should do after a fire truck accident, and how Ryan Injury Attorneys can help if that case happened. Because of their size and weight, fire trucks can cause more severe accidents. Traffic laws even allow emergency vehicles to travel over the official speed limit. They may run through red lights and would not have to stop at yield signs. The following are what you should do after a fire truck accident. Call 911 and request an ambulance as you report the truck crash. Photograph the incident and the damages to your car. Whenever required, get immediate medical treatment. Contact a Cleveland truck accident lawyer to ensure you aren't being taken advantage of. A fire truck accident can happen anywhere. The most common causes are failure to stop, slowing down, reckless driving, distracted driving, driver fatigue, insufficient driver training. Ryan LLP is an Ohio-based injury lawyer that represents victims of personal injury caused by car, truck, motorcycle accidents, medical malpractice, dog bite injuries, and even wrongful death against large companies. We have 40 years of experience doing our service in this field and evidently successful with our civil litigations. Our mission is to give every client our full attention, sound advice, and forceful representation at a carefully managed cost. We believe the results have set our firm apart. If you have any questions, please contact us or schedule a free consultation. Thank you for watching. You have a good day.